See, I am currently in the grade 7 one, but grades 6, 7, and 8 are doing the same kind of reflection. Grade 6 just has a little less if you're a grade 6 student. So what you're going to do is you sign in with your Gmail, enter the code, and you'll end up with this page. Click Add Response. And this is where you're going to be doing your video. Now you may want to have your Jamboard open on the tab right next to it, so that way when you're talking into the camera you have your notes. When you're introducing yourself, you are welcome to decorate your video any way that you want. We want to see some personality shining through in voice and in the way that you put it together. So the way to do this is to click Effects. And none of this is in recording until you click the circle. So you have time to actually set up what you want. So I'm just going to get back to it. If you click Effects, it's going to look like this. And you can add filters on top of yourself, but make sure we can see your face nice and clearly. So we still want to see you speaking. And you can either click the back arrow or the X to get back to this. To add my name, I use the text. You can draw. The board I'll talk about after. The stickers, you can bring stickers in that represent you. You can use GIFs, and you can also bring in photos of your own artwork, photos of your family, of pets, of anything, a favorite memory, holidays. It depends what you're talking about in your video. So make it really personal. And then of course a favorite of mine are these really cool frames. So you set your video up how you want it to look first, and it's not recording, so it's all good. Then what you would do is get your Jamboard in front of you, or your doc, wherever your script is, so that you have your notes in front of you. For this video, it is just the yellow post-it notes, the 3 questions plus the blue one where you introduce yourself. So that is what you're doing first. And then what you're going to do is click record. It will give you a countdown. Hi, I'm Rebecca Jordan, and I am the art teacher, and I am demonstrating how to use Flipgrid. And you can see from the things around me, you've got my name, and I am going to now talk about from blah, 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 blah. So this is your introduction video. And notice there is a pause button. There never used to be that. That's a really nice addition. So now we can pause, we can remove the bits that we don't want, and now we're on to part 2 of the video. This is where I'm going to talk about the background. So what we want to do is I'm just going to take off the frame, and I also want to take off the filter because we're not actually going to see you. So then what I want you to do is to go back to the effects and click board. Let's take a colored one. Now, when it comes in, it gives you the option of split screen. Slide the split screen. See, when you slide it, you can move your face and have just the artwork. So let's show you how to add the artwork. So all we have to do here is media and add media. I don't know if I've got some, I have got some. Let's take a random one here. There we go, that was quick. So what you would do if you're talking about your artwork, we want your artwork to be nice and big. Okay, and then you just click record, and it will be a voice recording on top. Have fun, don't forget to be creative, and enjoy Flipgrid.